punish somebody twice for the same offense. Previously, he did forfeit his bond in the amount of $10,000. That, in essence, was a punishment stemming from the criminal proceedings, and therefore trying to punish him again a second time around is not permitted under the double jeopardy clause. You don't just get a do-over.
Did he commit an offense then?
No, he maintains his innocence.
Bill, I know you're representing him on the civil.
Can you speak up, sir?
He's obviously frustrated to be dragged through this process again, but he has tremendous support. He was surrounded by his family today, who flew in from California to be here with him today, and he's strong, he's resilient, he'll get through this, but it's frustrating.
He'll be back on the 18th?
If we're going to argue substantive motions, yes, he'll be back on the 18th.
Bill, you were representing him in the civil case against Chicago. Are you now joining the team here as well for the criminal case?
I am with the team here as well, yes.
Something that stood out as strange, obviously the Oaks and the Railroad that showed up at the ball today. When you guys saw that, were you shocked? Did you have an emotion about them showing up?
I was surprised. I'll leave it to you to wonder why they bothered to appear here with their attorney. There was obviously no reason for them to be present in court, and so I think they were here. I heard that their attorney spoke, so I'll leave it to, again, your own judgment as to what that was about.
You were here, they're here.
That we are here again. Your reaction that you thought we were done. You thought your client was going on.
It's very frustrating, especially when you see what the law says and then you see the actions that were taken that were contrary to the law. So we're optimistic that the higher court will reverse this, or in this court, dismiss it for the double jeopardy grounds that we advanced.
And if they don't, you're confident this will go to trial?
I'm confident that he's not entering any plea other than a not guilty plea, so if that requires us to go to trial, we will.
We welcome the trial.
You guys feel like you kind of caught like a political battle right now? And obviously there's a lot of tension outside of us.
Yes. Do you want to address the
If your
politics of
client
it?
committed no crime, is he upset that no one was ever prosecuted for the crime he says happened?
He certainly is, but at this point, this case has become such an ordeal. His primary concern is moving on himself. I mean, it's really hard to believe that we're all here 1 year later at the arraignment of this case, well over a year after the incident happens.
Is he working right now?
He has various projects, yes.
And he did plead not guilty.
He pled not guilty, that's correct.
And then there was a $20,000.
An I
I
bond.
can't hear.
Correct, which is a signature bond.
Procedurally on the Supreme Court matter, what happens next? Do they have to decide whether
I
to
can
do that?
Straight ahead.
Sorry. The motion's been filed with the Illinois Supreme Court. The procedure is the court will decide whether to enter a stay and whether to accept the motion for supervisory order. And we expect to hear from them soon. That's the next procedure. We've served all the interested parties, so Judge Tuman, as well as all the lawyers and all the parties, have been served with the motion, and we'll see what the court does next. Anything else? Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Sorry. I just couldn't hear that.
I want to mess up the B-roll shot. Ouch.
Correct. Yes.
Is Jussie going to let this guy talk?
You're right.
Yeah, I mean,
Where is he? He can't still be here.
so the other motion is for